So starting here, we're going to start off with the veins. So this is a superior vena cava right there, and then underneath, coming the first branch off of the heart right there, is the Zygus vein. So that is the Zygus vein right there. So superior vena cava, Zygus is going straight down. We follow this guy up, you're seeing this branch here. This is the mammary vein. Also over here, you're seeing the mammary arteries. They're going to move along the inside of the thoracic wall. So if we follow this up, so superior vena cava is going to branch here. This is a brachiocephalic vein. This is also a brachiocephalic vein. Going down, you're seeing that guy go down in, right? So right there. You're also seeing it over here as well. Those are the vertebral veins. So let's just follow this guy here. So brachiocephalic is going to branch to this guy, which is jugular. This guy is subclavian. Let's follow this. This is your external jugular. This little thing right there is the internal jugular. So that is the internal jugular. It just did not get injected. If we follow the external, we're following this guy off of the external down here. So in blue, that is a transverse scapular. All right. So if we follow it the other way, it's essentially the same here. We have brachiocephalic here, branches in subclavian, jugular, and then internal jugular, external jugular, transverse scapular. We follow this subclavian into axillary, and this is subscapular. So axillary, subscapular. I forgot to finish it on this side. If you follow this subclavian over here, we have axillary, subscapular. We follow axillary out here. Now we're into brachial. Okay, out in the arm. Let's do the arteries here. This is a brachiocephalic artery. This right here is a left subclavian. So if we follow the left subclavian, just follow it out here. The first branch going down is vertebral. We follow this here, still subclavian. This right here, this branch, if you follow that, it goes all the way down here. So that becomes a transverse scapular. All right. This then becomes the axillary. And if we follow that, that is going to branch here. So axillary to here, then this becomes brachial, and this becomes subscapular. We follow it on the other side, brachiocephalic, once again, is going to branch into this. This is the left common carotid. This guy right here is the right common carotid, and then this one right here is the right subclavian. So left common carotid, right subclavian. As you see here, we have this branch, that's a mammary artery here. The one going down there is the vertebral artery. This is going to branch here. This one is going to branch here and eventually move down by the transverse scapular. This is axillary, and then you're going to see the branch here. That's brachial at this point.